Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I am going to show you how to change Steam region and get cheaper games. So as we all know that if you change your region here on Steam, there is a big possibility that you can also get a cheaper discount or let's just say cheaper price of the game. But unfortunately, you cannot change your region here using your Steam. So I'm going to show you a VPN that can help you connect to any countries such as Turkey and Argentina. And these countries offers lower game prices. So to do that, you just have to install Vivado VPN and then connect to this specific country since we can change that on Steam. Now go back to your Steam and this time you have to locate for your wallet and you have to make sure also that you have that code that you have purchased from countries like Argentina and Turkey. Now again, go back to your Steam and then go to view my wallet. And then this time you have to scroll down and locate this redeem a Steam gift card. Paste here the code that or from your Turkish Steam gift card, okay, or from Argentina. And then after that, all you have to do is to click continue. Now you can go back to your store and then purchase the game that you want to purchase. But always remember that while doing this transaction, you should stay on your selected country and never go back to the real one. You should still be connected to your Privado VPN and you should stay on your selected country like Argentina or Turkey. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.